What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and this video is basically just a haul on everything that I use to do my own nails, what I used when I first got started, and everything is really cheap and for the low, honestly. So if you're a beginner that's just looking for everything that you need to get started practicing on acrylic nails, this video is for you and this channel is for you. So go ahead and subscribe to this video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, let's just jump straight into the video. So first up, we have the practice hand. I get so many questions about this darn practice hand, where I get it from, how much it is. So I'm about to tell you guys. So I got this practice hand from Amazon, and it is $30. And the good thing about this one that comes on Amazon is it comes with a good bit of nail tips. So you don't have to buy them separately, but if you need to buy some more whenever you run out, they do sell the nail tips separately. So they're like for $13. But they give you a good bit to last you a long time. Like, I'm still working on the ones that came with my practice hand. I didn't have to buy some more yet, and I've had this practice hand. I've been working on it for about, I want to say, 3 months now. So they give you a good bit. Now, excuse my nail tips. As you can see, I've been using it. I've been beating this thing up. But I'm just showing you guys how they pop right in, how those nail tips pop right in. And yeah, you can just get started working on it. So inside of the nail tips, I have mounting tabs. Now, mounting tabs is going to help you keep those nail tips in place because they do slide off. So I'm just put y'all on to some mounting tabs. So the price kind of really varies with mounting tabs. It depends on what size you get, but if you get the smallest size, you would only pay $1, honestly. So they're not expensive at all, and I got these off of Amazon. They come in these little tabs, and you just pop them off from here, and then you just pop them in the little slits in the tip of the finger, and it holds your finger in place. It's really helpful for working on practice hands, and you can also use them if you're designing press-on nails. It keeps the nail in place and keeps it from moving, so this is very helpful. Alright, so up next is going to be our UV lamp. I use this for gel polishes, so this is very necessary for me because that's the only type of polishes I use, and you obviously need a UV lamp to dry polishes. So this was really the cheapest nail lamp I could find on Amazon, because you're never going to see me spending an arm and a leg on these materials, honestly. And it works perfectly fine for me. It has these little buttons, and one button for 30 seconds and one button for 60 seconds. It also lights up automatically whenever you put your hand underneath the lamp, so that's great as well. It doesn't come with this little wall piece. That's my personal wall piece from my other charger. So you will need a wall piece to be able to power this UV lamp up. But this lamp is super helpful, super affordable, so I do recommend it. Alright guys, so up next we have the electric nail drill, and if you're gonna do acrylic nails, you're gonna need an electric nail drill to practice. So I have this one. It was about $20. It comes in different colors, but my favorite thing about this nail drill is that it comes with nail bits and it comes with sanding bands. So this is really great for beginners, especially if you're really not sure like what to get when you're shopping for your materials when you're first starting out. The fact that this comes with everything is amazing. So mine it's a little dingy, it's a little beat up. Now after a while you're gonna have to buy new nail bits, but it's great to start off with. So these are kind of the ones that they come with, and this, I grabbed a few of my sanding bands, and these are the sanding bands they come with. If I can remember correctly, they give you a whole bag of sanding bands, so you'll be straight with sanding bands for a while with this purchase. So right here is where you can turn up the speed, or you can slow the speed down. It's very easy to use, not difficult to work with, so this is great for beginners. I have it in the description down below. Alright guys, so now we're getting into some nail tips. Now these nail tips I use on both my hand and you can use on the practice hand. So they come with natural color nail tips, and they come with clear nail tips, which I love. These nails come pretty long, so you can get a variety of lengths out of these nails. And they have a variety of sizes. It goes from 0 to 9, the sizes, so you're good on sizes as well. These nails are very easy to work with. They're not flimsy at all, so they're easy to shape and everything like that. And I got these from Amazon, you guessed it, and it came with both of the natural color and the clear color. So yeah, that's what nails I use. So next we have this acrylic nail brush. It looks real nasty and real beat up, but nonetheless, this is what I use. So I got this from Amazon, of course, for $15, and it was honestly the cheapest nail brush I came across, and it actually works wonders. Like, I've had it for a very long time. It was a size 10 brush. I feel like as long as you take care of your brushes, like, they will last you a very long time, as long as you clean them thoroughly and all that good stuff. So definitely recommend this brush, especially for beginners. You can honestly get whatever size that you're comfortable working with. I'm more comfortable working with the size 10 for right now, but just be aware, the bigger the size, the more you're going to spend. Now here we have the nail clippers I use from Amazon. All of this stuff is from Amazon, by the way. Those are very helpful whenever you're sizing your nails, your nail tips. And these are I use to whenever I'm grooming my cuticles. So that's a cuticle pusher and a cuticle cutter. So here we have my 100, 180 nail files, and these files I bought on Amazon. They came in like a bunch of 40 pieces, so they give you a good bit of nail files, which I love. I'm gonna leave the link for all of these in the description down below so you guys can see the prices, because I forgot how much it was. And these are gonna be my nail buffers. If I'm not mistaken, I think these nail buffers came with some nail files as well. So you're really getting more bang for your buck if you think about it, honestly. So now we're moving on to some liquid monomer. So I only use Mia Secret's liquid monomer, and I have the glass over here on the side. I did not get these together, I got them separately. I'm going to leave the link for them in the description down below. But like I said before, Mia Secret monomer gets the job done. I remember when I first started out with Kiss Acrylic monomer, and listen, you can really tell the difference whenever you're using good quality stuff. So get you some Mia Secret. Next we have some KDS glue. So you can really use any type of nail glue you want, but I just use KDS glue. So a good acrylic powder to start with would be Mia Secret. This is the Mia Secret's clear acrylic powder. It was $16. You can get this from Amazon, and they also have all types of different colors from Amazon. I'm just showing you guys my clear powder that I have. So guys, my favorite foundation and top coat gels to use is of course going to be Beetles. Beetles, in my opinion, their gels dry so much quicker than other gels. And honestly, that's what I live for, quick dry times with these gel polishes, because I do not have time to be sitting underneath these UV lights all day long. So I love Beetles for that reason. Alright, so now I'm going to put y'all on to some drawers to keep you guys organized. So I got these little drawers from the dollar store, and they were only $1, of course. Now each of these drawers came separately. I just glued them all together with some E6000 glue, and they work perfectly for me. I like the clear because it goes with just about any type of ambiance. So yeah, go to the dollar store and get you some of these drawers. I have it in this clear and also in these pink, and I think it's like a kind of greenish color. I keep all of my sanding bands and my nail tips that I put on my practice hand in these, and also my nail glue too. So it's good to just keep your loose items, to keep them all separated and nice and neat so they're not all over the place. So next, very quickly, I'm just going to show you guys some nail art that you can use for encapsulations. First, I have these fruit slices, and I got them from Amazon, of course, and they come in a variety. Like, I got all of this in one purchase. It comes in a variety of different fruits. You can find fruit slices anywhere, honestly. I got these separately from Glamour Nails, but they come in separate packages like this. I just think you can get more bang for your buck when you buy them from Amazon, because you get like a whole variety of different fruit slices all in one. So yeah. But here we have my favorite, the glitters. So I got all of these glitters from Amazon. I love glitters for mixing whenever I'm mixing them with my acrylic powder to make my own little concoction. So I just love having all different types of glitters and different colors. And this, I think I bought all of this in one. Like, all of these colors came in one. I have some more in the drawer. I don't think I took them out, but yeah. So lastly, we have my metals. So I like having like different metal little designs. I also put some on my press-on nails as well too. So I especially love the hearts. I use the hearts a lot. And I think it comes with crosses and moons and stars and different stuff like that. It's just a nice way just to add just some extra designs on your nails. I love these for encapsulations. And I know you guys can probably just guess where I got this from. Amazon, of course. I will leave all of the links in the description down below so you guys can go get everything that I have in this video. So next we have, I call them like little confetti cutouts. I don't know the exact name of it, but I honestly just bought these for the butterfly little confetti pieces. Those are, as you guys already know, you've probably seen them everywhere. The butterfly little pieces are very popular in nail designs, and I had to have them. So that's really the only reason why I use these. There it is right there. A better look at it. But they also come in different shapes, and I got these from Amazon. So next I have foil. So I started off buying like this piece of foil in this little container, which only lasted me a little while. I didn't finish it off because I saw these on Amazon. They're big jars of foils that comes in different colors. I got these all in one purchase. I feel like just go ahead and get these rather than getting them in small increments, because it'll last you much longer. I got all of these on Amazon, like I said before. But I feel like if you're just practicing and you just want to see how it looks, the smaller container might be for you. But if you're actually doing nails for other people, you have clients or whatever, then get the big jars of it. It lasts you way longer than just a little container. So guys, next I have these containers. I got these containers from Kroger. I don't remember how much they were, honestly, but they were in like the container aisle or something like that. But I use these to put my little whenever I make my own like little concoction of acrylic powder, I name them and then I put them in these little containers. These containers are just nice to have whenever you're making your own mix, or you can use them to put like your jewels or your different nail designs in, or whatever. It's just good to have to keep stuff separated and nice and neat. All right, so next we have my jewels. So just to let you guys know, I get my container from, I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. It was like $3. But my jewels I got from Amazon. I think I got all of these jewels together, honestly. These came in little baggies. They're like butterflies and different. They're the bigger jewels you can put on your nails. but all the other ones, they just came loose, so you might want to get a container to keep them separated. I separated them by size. And then I think these little crystals on the side came separately too. I got them with a separate purchase. It came in this little bottle, but whenever I'm putting them on nails, I like to just dump it on the nail, so I keep it in that little slot on the side. And yeah, I got all of this from Amazon except the container that I got from Hobby Lobby. And to apply your jewels, of course, you're going to need a jewel applicator. So I got this little pen from Amazon. It comes with a wax tip. That's where you're going to apply your jewels with, what you're going to apply your jewels with. And then the other end, I just use that to like kind of move my jewels around to make sure I have it in my perfect preferred placement. And yeah. So here we have a mixing stone. That's what I call it, a mixing stone. I use this whenever I'm designing my nails with the gel polish. It's really helpful. And I got these. This is what I use to design the nails. They're just all types of different brushes. They're really cheap brushes. So if you're a pro, I don't recommend this. But if you're just beginning and you just want to like play around, these are for you. They're cheap, sis. So yeah, I got both of these from Amazon. So last but not least, we have some acetone. So I honestly got this acetone from Dollar Tree for $1, of course. So I mainly use acetone to break down the acrylic off of my nails instead of popping my nails off so it doesn't ruin my natural nail bed. But I also use them for designing on whenever I'm designing on my nails as well. So definitely go out to Dollar Tree and get you some acetone, sis, for $1. So if you watched this far, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if this video was helpful to you, then go ahead and give it a like. I post videos each and every Saturday, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in my next video.